Right, here we have the little Philcraft marine engine that I've received today in very good running order. I'll just point out the main features to you. Here we have the gas tank, and there's also the gas valve. By screwing it down, you open up the gas supply, you can regulate it to some extent. Down there is the ceramic burner. Up here the steam dome, to which a superheater pipe extends, which runs down there. Little safety valve there, and down there, very importantly of course, the twin cylinder engine. And I'll just put my hand in front of it just so you get some idea of how big the whole thing is. It's tiny, it fits very comfortably into the palm of my hand. Right, what I've done now is I've filled it up with a very small amount of water, some 3cc. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to light the gas. So I'm going to screw this down until I hear a bit of a hiss. Like this. And apply a flame until it runs. It's now running, and I'm going to get it up into a nice sort of flame, and then we wait for it to get up to steam. Alright, as you may expect from such an engine, it will probably prime a bit, but it's up to steam now. I'm just going to give it a flick, and there it goes. And after just a few seconds it settles down to a beautiful steady run, and we'll run like that for about 5 minutes on basically very little. Turn the gas up a tiny bit. I'm going to put a load on it now, just to make sure it doesn't shake itself to pieces. And turn the gas down a wee bit, because I'm worried that the whole thing might just shake itself to bits. And there it is. The Philcraft marine engine running like the devil. I can see this powering a nice rowboat. They have yet to build, so I'd say watch this space.